This yoga stretch is to release tension and tightness and bring you into creating a peaceful mind. Join me in an upright seated position. And when you're ready, gently close down your eyes. Begin to relax into your breath. Take a deep inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. Deep inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. Deep inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. Gently bow your head forward and take your neck in a neck rotation, rolling one side, back, opposite side, forward again. Continue 3 times in this direction. After the 3rd time, take it the opposite way and allow your breath to guide you. After the 3rd time, come to center. Inhale your arms high up to the heavens. Exhale over to one side, taking one arm down and reaching up and over into the side stretch. Long, deep breathing. Inhale back up to center and over to the opposite side. Back to center. One more time on each side. Use the breath to go deep into the stretch. Back to center. Opposite side. Inhale back up to center. And on the exhale, come forward. Bow forward, stretch it out. On the next inhale, walk the hands back, coming to a straight spine, upright, and move into tabletop for some cat-cow. Move with what your body wants with the inhale. Maybe the toes are tucked under, maybe the tops of the feet are flat on the ground. And on the exhale, taking the chin to the chest. Move with your breath. Make this a moving meditation using your breath, the prana, to bring in the energy, the peace, the joy to clear out any tension, tightness, and cultivating that peaceful mind. When you're ready, bring the spine to neutral, pausing there, and then step the right foot in between both hands, coming into a high lunge. Maybe your knees will support your hands, or maybe your hands will lift high up to the heavens. Listen to your body intuition today, or maybe even taking circles with the arms. Use the breath. And if you can, close down the eyes and just go deep within. On the next inhale, bring both hands on either side of the right foot and come into a half split. Move mindfully, purposefully, and gracefully, and surrender into this pose. Surrender with your breath, surrender with your mind, and surrender your spirit. On the next inhale, come back into that lunge and bring the hands again into the position that suits you. Maybe it's the big circles. Maybe the knee will support the hands. Maybe the arms are high up to the heavens. Listen to your body intuition. What does it need? What does it desire and want to release the tightness and the tension and to cultivate a peaceful mind? Bring the hands on either side of the right foot. Come back into that hamstring stretch again. Surrender into it. Use your breath to open up the body and to release any tightness and tension. On the next inhale, come back into the lunge. Pause there a moment. And this time, do bring the hands on top of the knee. And just pause for a moment. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Gently and gracefully come back through tabletop. Take a couple cat-cows or any other micro movement that your body's calling for to release the tension and the tightness. And then coming back to a neutral spine, Step the left foot in between the hands. And where do you want to go with this side with the lunge? Maybe the knee will support the hands. Maybe you want the arms high up to the heavens. Or maybe you want to go into the big circles. Honor your body intuition and move mindfully, using the breath to go deep into the body, to release the tension and the tightness. Bringing the hands on either side of the left foot. Come into that half split. Surrender into it. Let the breath take you deep into the pose to release and let go. On the next inhale, come back into the lunge and take whatever supports you, as far as maybe the hands on top of the knees, arms high up to the heavens. Maybe you'll do the same as you did the first time. Maybe you'll try something different. Listen to your body intuition. Use the breath to guide you. And taking the hands on either side of the left foot, sitting back into that half split, completely release into it, and use your breath to let go of any tightness, tension. And the breath will also cultivate that peaceful mind by surrendering along with the breath. On the next inhale, come back into the lunge. And this time, do rest your hands on top of the knee and pause there a moment. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Come back through tabletop. Make any micro movements that your body intuition is calling for, knowing that our final pose is child's pose, and if you wish to go into it straight away, honor your body. And when you come down into your child's pose, notice if you want the hips with the knees very wide apart to stretch, or notice if you want the knees closer together for the hips and the back. Once you find where you want to settle, then go into long, deep breathing.
On the next inhale, walk your hands back, lift up the head, the neck, and the shoulders, coming to an upright position. Moving into a seated position for a moment of silence to cultivate that peaceful mind. Bring the hands into Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes. Relax into the breath. Bring the hands together in prayer pose in front of the heart. Press your thumbs into your heart center. Bow your head towards your heart, honoring yourself for taking time to stretch the body, to release any tension and tightness, to cultivate a peaceful mind. And take this feeling that you're embodying right now with you throughout the rest of your day. Namaste.